partial payment. Observe. So now, how much your customer balance? Customer balance is 9 lakhs. Out of 9 lakhs, so customer receives like 4 lakhs. Customer receives 4 lakhs. So basically, what is entry for this? Check deposit debit. Sorry, 4 lakhs to customer. To customer. So the transaction code is F-28. The transaction code is F-28. Slash and home page F-28. Document date. What's the meaning of document date? Which date we receive the amount from customer. Type DZ. What is DZ? Customer receipts. Our company code is S451. Sir, why system shows period number 2? Why? Because as of Indian calendar, April is the first month, May is the second month. So now we are in May month, so second month. And bank data account, check deposit jail account. Check deposit jail account. How much value? 4 lakhs. Enter value date. Text in accounting we used to call narration. Customer receives. How much value? 4 lakhs. Just a moment. How much value? 4 lakhs. I repeat the transaction. And enter value date. So here, observe it asks you open item. What is open item? Credit sales. Now we receive amount from customer. It's a open item. What type of open item? Customer open item. Account. Customer number and account type D. So D means customer. D means customer. Click on process open item tab. Right? Observe. Actual invoice value is 1 lakh. 10 lakhs. In the return value, 1 lakh. So total balance 9 lakhs. But in that, out of 9 lakhs, customer paid to company only 4 lakhs. So now click on partial payment. So click on partial payment tab. So how much value you want to clear? 4 lakhs. Payment amount 4 lakhs. Enter. Amount entered 4 lakhs. Assigned value. This is minus balance. So observe, deactivate other line item 1 lakh. Now check the value. Amount entered 4 lakhs. System also assigned 4 lakhs. The difference is 0. The difference is 0. Right. Click on document audio icon. Document on menu bar. Simulate. Save. So document number 40,002. Now view customer ledger. Transaction code. FBL5M. Enter. First company code, customer account means customer number. Select all items. Execute. Observe, total invoice value is 10 lakhs. In that return value, 1 lakh. And customer receipts, 4 lakhs. Still, how much pending balance we have? 5 lakhs. But in partial payment, system receive the value, but it never clear the line item. Until entire balance clear, system shows red color indicator. There is a meaning of partial payment. The meaning of partial payment. Right?